can see the firemen practice their scuba diving rescues. Yeah, looks like that's what they're doing down here. Are you ready? That's a good boy. Okay, come. You sun worshippers like we are, it's a beautiful day. We don't want to scare you, just come to admire you. You're a beautiful flock. This is Chevy. Don't worry about him. He's very gentle. He won't bark, and he will not attempt to hurt you. I can guarantee you that. And he likes birds and cats. You guys probably don't like cats so much. What do you think about dogs? This guy okay? What about this old dog? I won't hurt you either. I won't interrupt you for much longer. I just want to zoom in on you. You're beautiful birds. Thank you. Enjoy your sunny afternoon. See ya. Are you looking at Mount Fuji over there? So were we, till I saw you guys. You're a nice bird too. Thank you, pigeons. See ya. Oh boy. Thank you. I made a bit of a mess. All right, Chevrolet, let's call that a day. I gotta go to work this evening, so another good day in January. Shizuoka, Japan. Beautiful weather. Lucky us.